Am I back to reclaim the king of the streets? I never left. There was never a king when I left. The throne is still mine. Hi, what's up, Naija? What's up, Africa? It's your boy, Omoshola, bro. You know what it is. Sholzy West, still in the building. You know me from Pepper Them Gang as Omoshola, but now I'm back in the hostel. Now, let's say I change my name. My name is going to be Sholzy. Sholzy West, Sholzy 23. Warri finest. Best from the West. You already know what it is. We out here. I've been here before. What bring me back? Let me guess. My fans did. They keep asking, why you not in the show? BB All-Star don't start. Why didn't you go? And I thought about it. I was like, you know what? Why not give it a try? But when I did think about Big Brother gave me a call. And you know when Big Brother call, you cannot refuse. So that's why I'm here. What will I be doing differently this time in the Big Brother house? The last time I was in Big Brother show was 4 years ago. Baba don't dey hold. Baba don't dagba. I don't get pikin now. So I cannot afford to start doing the same thing I was doing last time. I just want to have fun. The last time I was on the show, I was robbed of my coins by Ike, of course. You all know that. Do I want to retaliate this time? Nah, I don't think so. Because actually, that coin got me to the finals. If he didn't take that coin, I would still play Mumu. But that coin literally set my game right. And yeah, I appreciate that. My strategy is, this time in Big Brother house, is to have fun. I really want to have as much fun as I can so I don't regret anything when I leave the house this time. Ooh, the most shocked to see me in the house is probably going to be, I think fraud. Because fraud is literally the last person I spoke to in the house right now before he went into the house. So yeah, I think fraud. The person I think most excited to see me in the house will be Ike. Ike or Messi as well. Let me say Messi. Connie woman. Messi will be excited because I don't think there's a competition for Messi right now. And she know I give her Pepe. The difference between BBM All-Stars and Pepper Them season is, I think because this All-Star, everybody has already been blown. Everybody's blown. They are all celebrity already. So when you put a lot of celebrity in one room, it's different. The first Pepper Them season, we were all novice. We came from nowhere. We're nobody. So everybody was still trying to find the feast and everybody was still trying to find love and all that. But in the All-Star right now, everybody has celebrity. And you know when you put too many celebrity in one room, they go fight. What I think about my fellow housemate from the Pepper Them season, you know Pepper Them, we are very, very hot. So I didn't expect anything less for what I'm seeing right now because Pepper Them gang that's why they give them Pepper Them. The body to the Pepper Them. What I want to achieve this time in the Big Brother house, 120 million. Oton. Right now, I'm the happiest father alive. I have the most cutest son in the world. I have the most beautiful lady in the world. And I enjoy my life. I love my job. I'm managing baddest and the most biggest nightclub in the whole of Africa. Believe it or not, Montana is #1. And yeah, everything is going well for me. I got my own business, West Ride. You know what it is, West Ride. Yeah, right now, I think I'm on top of my game. And I'm killing it. This season, I'm definitely not going to fall in love in the house because I'm already in love. A message to myself this season is going to be Sholzy West, put your head in the game, stay focused, and don't break character. Never break your character. Baby, it's your boy Sholzy. You already know what it is. I'm back in the show. And this season, I'm giving you all-star material. You know now, look at him now. Clean, fresh, drip, tokbo, All-Star, one and only.
Big Brother Naija.